Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. Okay. Next one up here is our Preferences. I'm going to click in here. We'll spend a little bit of time here today. Okay, so we're going to go over to Netconfig, and in here this is just going to tell you where your stamps are saved. So this is the default location where those are saved. You can always browse to another location if you want to share those. Same thing with email templates. This is where those are being saved and drawn from. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.